We're halfway there. Welcome to day 15 in the 30 days to a complete screenplay, screenwriting sprint. That title gets longer every time I say it. Okay, today we're going to work with a B plot. Now, not every movie has a B plot. A lot of horror movies might skip the B plot because they're so lean they just can't afford it. But a B plot often is necessary to give yourself relief from the A plot. It also can be a good vehicle for theme. Often the romance or love story will be the B plot that also serves the purpose of showing the characters' growth and how they contrast against other characters. Rocky's A plot, for instance, is fighting. And the B plot is his romance with Adrian.
Rocky!
The B plot will add depth to the story and allow the character to develop. I know, here, let's establish some ground rules here that if you ever feel like one of these prompts isn't working for your particular story, it might be true and you can skip it and just write your 5 pages and move on to the next day, right? Not every movie has a B plot, right? For instance, Duel. Right, it's 80 minutes guy versus car, one of the leanest and most effective movies I've ever seen. No time for a B plot in Duel. So, and that's fine. These prompts are designed to match up with most screenplays. I think they do match up with most screenplays. So, chances are you do have a B plot. If you do that, introduce that here, develop it here. Write one scene establishing the B plot. Tomorrow, we'll throw in a twist.